But after overall research and everything, we did find shut down on the Odoo. But if you do it from zero, it makes your future very easier. It was recommended by few of our friends, common users, and also self-delegated by us also. When I saw the keynote today, I actually felt like this keynote was for me.
Hello everyone, myself Devangi Gajjar. I am working into Odoo and I am very delighted to share it with you that we have our valued customer Mr. Gunjan. So Mr. Gunjan, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing good. Thank you so much.
Okay. So can you please explain about your business a bit more and introduce yourself?
Definitely. I'm Gunjan Dave and I'm partner at Handmada International. And basically we are manufacturer and also we procure from other factories, and we belong to the ceramic capital of basically now you can say ceramic capital of world, Morbi, and we deal into the ceramic products, be it ceramic, porcelain, every kind of.
Okay. So is it this first time visit in Odoo Community Days?
Oh, yes, definitely. This is my first visit with the Odoo Community Days, and I am actually flabbergasted by the grandness of the event. This is amazing.
Okay, thank you so much. So how was your experience till now into OCT?
You can say with the tech event, this is kind of the largest event I have ever attended, and it was the greater than the scale I expected it to be.
Okay, great. So how you come across through the Odoo?
Like I have been exploring options for organizing the operations of my company, and we did explore few of the readily available options. We did go through with customized suppliers and everything, and we did take trial with lots of companies. But after overall research and everything, we did find shut down on the Odoo. It was recommended by few of our friends, common users, and also self-delegated by us also.
So before using Odoo, so how many challenges you are facing it and what kind of problems you are facing to manage your operations?
Particularly the organization, bringing out the best of the work we do, and we had Google Sheet that, Excel sheet this, and it was so disorganized. We had all the information, but when it comes to the accessibility of it, even the challenges was faced by me, my partners, my employees, even with our clients. When it comes to everyone goes like, I think I had that accessible, but I don't know where it is. Okay. That was the main challenge we faced.
Yeah, got it, because you have so many Excel sheets.
Exactly.
Okay, so what are the applications you are using into Odoo to manage your solution?
Particularly with our whole manufacturing and sales process, the most used modules are our sales and purchase, because in this company we are treating it as one umbrella solution for all our manufacturing and procurement plans. So basically the purchase and sales are the most used modules by us, but also we have now brought our sales organization through CRM on all the related marketing applications.
Great. So when you have started this implementation in your company for the Odoo, so how was your journey? Like how was that learning curve? Was it easier for your team to adapt it, or it is very difficult to manage it?
Not particularly easy, I would say, because when everything was in a concept, it did sound easy, it did sound simple. We had these brainstorming sessions with all our partners and employees, trying to understand what are their challenges, what are our requirements, what kind of customizations we would require, what are the modules we could use. And when we were estimating out of there, we expected it will be 1 to 3 months of process. But once we started implementing it, once we started seeing the challenges, what concepts we got wrong initially in our brainstorming sessions, we figured out no, this is not that simple. It took us around 6 to 8 months to get the basic application started with our kind of I'm not gonna lie, but our application was not that straightforward or that simpler. With the product categories, with the number of SKUs, with the customization, it was bit challenging in itself. But over the process, with the support of all the developers, with the sales teams, and also the input from my own team, everything worked out together very well.
So what kind of feedback or any features you are having in your mind which you can suggest us so we can add into our upcoming
so far
version?
with the version 18 I saw everything, and when I saw the keynote today, I actually felt like this keynote was for me. Like
Okay.
a few of the challenges we faced before, like having a purchase order and then manually inputting everything, with the new features and AI integration, when it can fetch in it itself, was the one feature I wanted. Not just me but my employees wanted it so badly. It makes their work overall so easy, and this is the one feature we are actually looking forward to.
So, like how you are seeing yourself or your company into Odoo in future? Like, what are the modules you want to use into the future?
With the coming months, I am definitely going to integrate A to Z process with the. Currently, I would say that we are using hardly to 15 to 20% of the overall potential. But with the coming months, we are totally going to integrate our accounts. We are totally going to integrate our quality check purpose. Whatever we are doing manual, whatever we are doing on paper on Excel sheet, we are going to integrate in one software itself. We want one login for everything. There should I would want a computer in my office that could run only one window. That's a Odoo window.
Yeah, definitely, because everything is under one umbrella.
Exactly. That's what we started with. Like our main challenge was there are different files, different windows for everything, and there was no interconnection without an common window. But with this, we can see ourselves doing it in upcoming months.
Okay, great, sure. So, is there any rating you would like to give it to Odoo from 1 to 10? So, what you will going to give?
With Odoo, I would definitely rate it on a distinction level. It is 8, 9, 10 in my head. Like no system could ever be perfect, but it's definitely a 9 for me. If there's a startup coming on, when there's a new business, we always have this mindset we are not that big for a software right now. We don't need an ERP, we don't need a CRM, we don't need this or that. But if you do it from zero, it makes your future very easier. Because rather than transitioning, I would always suggest that you should build on it.
Correct.
And Odoo is one of the most preferable option for that. I researched over about 8 to 9 options around it, but that's the reason we finalized on this one. If you go for a small scale to a scalable industry, like I'm talking about one sales point to a multinational company, I think I do find this Odoo as suitable option for all the when I'm starting, I'm a small company, but I aspire to become a huge company. But I think we can do this without changing our software.
Right,
if you go with Odoo.
Right, because we want to also scale our business.
Exactly.
Along with the business, we want to scale the software.
Definitely. From for a small scale industry, economy is one of the issue.
Correct.
In that manner, Odoo is one of the most preferable option. And even if we go for the scalability, I do feel that with all the development coming year on year, with all the new features, with all the skills that is being implemented, and with the current ongoing AI integration, this is going to be a best option.
Definitely. So we'll also note your feedbacks and we'll forward to our team. And thank you for sharing, this valuable feedbacks.
It has been my pleasure. Thank you so much.
All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you so much.